from Scar 6-2. We'll take a couple.
3-2, stay good.
And we'll start with you. We'll 6-1 over to your left side to get a picture.
Wait, G3 I'm showing as GT4. Okay.
1075.
27075, take 2.
As long as we stay black line, we'll be within the area.
Manual, standing by launcher view.
We don't have time, just can you downstairs?
Yeah, do you want me to read anything?
One second.
Stand by here.
Air brakes. Three copies. Yeah, I think that.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Copy, thanks. I mean, keep in mind that gauge is garbage. Still hate this him. Nice. Looks like a pretty big missile on the underside there. Is that like a...
Go to your waypoints on your PKB.
16505, храма.
Отвечаю, 16500. Фильтр топлива высветился.
16505, повторить.
16505, возвращаюсь по отказу.
989, выходим ко второму.
Понял, пошел.
Big airplane number 2. You go? I mean, it would work.
Marcus, guys.
Yeah, thank you for the photos and thank you for the work. Appreciate it.
Welcome. Gauge 89, за мной.
They're right under our wing. They're looking up at our engines.
Oh god, okay.
I mean, they're still probably 100 feet below.
Roger.
Run up on a turn, see if he'll jink on him. I guess 2 minutes away. Sorry, I stole your thunder, Nav. That's good, I was reading the weapons scope paper, so I would have missed it.
033, maintain flight level 250. Falcon 31, Warszawa radar.
Yeah, it might be a...
250 for 100, mobile 65.
Oh, it's got like a guy on the tail.
535, we have...
Oh, they both got guys on the tail. Yeah, you don't usually see flankers and Vipers playing nicely together.
Yeah, no kidding. That's why I wanted to get that photo. Are they up on your wing yet?
Yeah, we got all 4. They're pretty good formation there.
Nice.
I like it.
Go ahead.
Request high